Well, months ago, ChatGPT was solution to everything. We were using it to write articles, design thumbnails, search trends, correct the flow of content, and sometimes we were using it to write code as well. But if I talk about the current scenario, I would say ChatGPT is not solution to everything anymore. Because new AI tools meant for specific tasks are making ChatGPT less useful and less productive. And in this video, I'll be talking about 7 new AI tools which you can consider instead of ChatGPT to perform a specific task. And the number one in my list is going to be Rusk AI. So the number one is going to be Rusk AI. Well, this AI tool will help you to add human-like voiceover to your videos without hiring a voice actor. And by the way, you can also use it to translate your videos into 60 plus languages. So this is the number one tool. And the second tool in my list is going to be Blackbox. This tool is specifically for developers. If you are a developer, you can consider Blackbox to turn any question into a code, build auto completions, and extract code from any video. So the third in my list is going to be Finchat. You can use Finchat to get answers related to public companies. So if you are into finance or investing, you can consider Finchat to know about the public companies to guide your decision or investing decisions. So talking about the fourth one in my list is going to be FinalScout. You can use this AI tool to, you know, extract valid email addresses from LinkedIn, and also it guarantees 98% email delivering. So the fifth one is going to be Sonic Box. This AI tool will help you to transform written context into text summaries and audio summaries. In this way, you can capture ideas 10 times faster. If you want to capture your ideas 10 times faster, you can consider Sonic Box. Now, talking about the sixth tool, and that's going to be WiseOne. Now, if I talk about WiseOne, this AI tool will save hours of your time to find reliable information for you by browsing web and resources online. Talking about the seventh one is going to be Doclime. Now, if you want an answer related to a specific PDF or document, Doclime will help you with that. You just need to import your PDF or document to Doclime and start getting answers from your document. So that's all about these 7 AI tools which are alternative to ChatGPT and which are specific for specific tasks. And that's it for today. See you soon in the next video with new way and new take to earn money online. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.